Stop scrolling. This message is not for everyone. But if you've been carrying pain from something you lost, if you've been grieving quietly, if you've been asking God, will I ever recover from this? Stay until the end. Because Jesus says, I'm about to restore what you lost. My child, I know what you lost hurt you deeply. Not just the thing, but what it meant to you. You didn't just lose a person. You lost peace. You didn't just lose a job. You lost confidence. You didn't just lose a relationship. You lost the future you imagined. And sometimes the hardest part is this. Everyone moves on, but you still feel it. People say, be strong. People say, time will heal. But they don't know how heavy it feels at night. They don't know how your mind replays the past like a movie. They don't know how you blame yourself in silence. But Jesus says, I saw the moment it broke. I saw what it did to your heart, and I did not look away. Some of you think God is distant, but God was close when you were crying. God was close when you were shaking. God was close when you said, Lord, I can't take this. My child, let me tell you something that will change your life. God is not only the God who gives. He is the God who restores. The enemy loves to steal. He steals peace. He steals joy. He steals relationships. He steals confidence. And when the enemy steals something from you, he wants you to believe this lie. It's over. But Jesus says, it's not over. Because the last word over your life is not loss. The last word is resurrection. The cross looked like the end, but it was not the end. The tomb looked like silence, but it was not the end. And what you're going through right now is not the end. My child, some of you are still living inside the loss. Even when you smile, the pain is there. Even when you work, the memory is there. Even when you pray, the wound is there. But Jesus says, I am healing you slowly. Not because I am weak, but because I am gentle. Because if I healed you too fast, you would not learn how to walk again. You would run back to what broke you. So Jesus says, I am restoring you in the right order. First your mind, then your heart, then your future. My child, stop saying, I lost my best days. Because Jesus says, your best days are still coming. Stop saying, it will never be the same. Because Jesus says, I will make it better. I know you think restoration means getting the exact same thing back, but sometimes restoration is deeper than that. Sometimes God does not bring back what you lost. He brings back what you became when you lost it. Your strength, your courage, your confidence, your joy. My child, your smile is coming back. Your sleep is coming back. Your peace is coming back. Your purpose is coming back. And the love you thought you would never feel again, God can give it again. Because God is not limited by time. He can restore years. He can restore broken places. He can restore hearts that feel empty. Now hear this clearly. You didn't lose everything. You only lost what God allowed to leave. Because what is meant for you cannot be stolen from you permanently. If it left, it means God has something higher, something purer, something safer, something more aligned with your destiny. My child, I want you to understand this. You are not being punished. You are being prepared. Some losses are protection. Some endings are direction. Some heartbreaks are a door opening. And when you look back one day, you will realize God removed what you begged Him to keep because He was saving you. And now, He is about to restore you. Maybe not in the way you imagine, but in the way that will heal you completely. So don't give up. Don't shut down your heart. Don't stop believing. Because Jesus says, I am about to restore what you lost. Rest tonight. Breathe again. Your season is changing. And the God who carried you through loss will also carry you into joy. Amen.